Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the last 24 hours have been very good. The whole market is in green, but at the same time BNB and Uniswap have been leading the chart. Talking about Dogecoin, again we have seen an uptrend, but it's not able to break above the 16.1 cent. The trading volume is sitting close to 750 million, which is very good, but there are some driving factors. First of all, the secret about Dogecoin is moving sideways means it's about to go explosive. Bitcoin raced past 70k, Dogecoin is in green, and Bitcoin just needs that final push to make sure everything goes parabolic, and Dogecoin is set to go 220% against Bitcoin. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just up to go then push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Now keep in mind, the key important thing or the key takeaway right now is even when the market is going down, Doge is able to hold its price. When the market goes up, it's able to hold its price. Well, what should that be hinting to? Well, in simple terms, you guys need to understand there is a lot of whales which are accumulating. So this is going to be the time where this consolidation phase is clearly suggesting that Doge is trying very hard to break above the resistance that it has set, which is pretty much close to 16.5 cents. This has been mentioned by many big analysts that this is going to be the key resistance. Once it's broken, if you get a 200% increase in the price, we will not be surprised, because this is the largest resistance that we have seen from Dogecoin. If we just go from all the way at the bottom, just not worrying about the flash crash, you guys can see even then we're still in a slight uptrend. But if we look from where we saw the flash crash, you can see that we're just below the uptrend that we would like to be. Now this push up that we received today from the whole market, I mean Bitcoin's well over 70k, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys will be very happy to see, but Doge is again not able to break above the resistance, and that's why it is the problem. Now this is not actually the problem, because when it does break above this, there will be so many big whales which will be waiting for us. What I mean by that is right now there are so many people which are sidelining themselves to make sure that they have some funds when Doge actually decides to go up or crash. But if it does decide to break above the 17 cents, clearly suggesting that the next leg up is about to start, there will be so much FOMO that will be kicking in, and trust me, there will be a lot of whales that will also jump into this. So it's just that last push making it above this final resistance, which is close to actually 17 cents. If we just see 18 cents, you can see that from the previous jump, pretty much 17.5 and 16.5 has been that consolidation phase. Once we break above the 18 cent mark, it's gonna be going very, very crazy. Now the secret about Dogecoin, it moves sideways for extended period followed by a rapid vertical growth. As bullish as I am on Bitcoin, I have insanely high conviction Dogecoin will outpace it. We are in a meme super cycle. The king of meme won't be left behind. Simple as that. That's the best way to describe it, and you guys can see if it does decide to make this recovery, that's gonna be a very big move. Now Bitcoin races past 70k, Ethereum, Dogecoin into the green. Dogecoin or Bitcoin needs to break this final major resistance area to go parabolic, and the area that they're talking about, it's actually its all-time high. And at the same time, Bitcoin's open interest has increased by 5.3%, with sitting at 37 billion. While we are on that topic, also Dogecoin open interest has done very well today, well above the 800 million, sitting close to 825 million. And the liquidations, not as much as you would expect. Honestly, the liquidations for the the longs has not been so bad, only close to 400k today. Now Dogecoin set for a 220% surge against Bitcoin, says the top analyst. I mean, we just talked about it, just how well the Dogecoin market is doing. Even the big supporters of Bitcoin, once they have a little bit of profit, would love to throw some money into Dogecoin, and that's going to be the driving factor to push the price up. I mean, we're sitting at a really strong point because, Tipping Tuesday, everyone loves talking about Dogecoin, and keep in mind, when the tipping Tuesday goes crazy. At the same time, if X Payments decides to make their first announcement, that's going to be helping us to break over that resistance. And once we break that resistance, there will be not much things slowing it down. Turkey aims to join BRICS, impact on Bitcoin and the global market. Now, BRICS member including India, Iran conduct a trade using local currencies, challenging the dominance of US dollar. Bitcoin borderless nature makes a potential currency for BRICS, aligning with Turkey's economic growth. Now, if they do decide to go with Bitcoin, this would be a very big change, because BRICS actually controls a lot of the world, and seeing that they're able to do trade and Turkey wants to be part of it, that would be a big deal. Now, Doge presents to move like this: grab your Doge and stronghold. I mean, if we decide to follow what happened previously, well, that's exactly what's going to follow very shortly, and a dollar would be actually a lot smaller amount than what you are expecting. Bitcoin could see a higher volatile spike if a new all-time high is reached. Now, new all-time high is not very far. We just need another little push and we will be well above the all-time high for Bitcoin. And once we break above that, which is going to actually pretty much spark a really big momentum, because you guys can see that we're pretty much sitting at the zone where the all-time high is sitting. Now, another thing, Dogecoin to $1 is very likely 7x from where we're sitting right now, which is going to be making a lot of you guys very excited. Is Dogecoin ready to reach the $1? Analysts with an interesting Dogecoin price prediction. Now, keep in mind, this price prediction, the only thing you need to understand is this move is actually quite easy. I feel like a lot of people think, oh, for Dogecoin to hit 7x, it would be way too hard. But once it starts climbing, there's going to be so much FOMO that will be kicking in, and that's going to be the problem that the whole market is going to be facing. It's not a problem, it's more like more money inflowing into the meme coins, and you know, the other tokens will have to compete with meme coins just to exist. Now, Worldcoin actually faces more problems. Spain say you will no longer be able to operate where we are. Also, Hong Kong bans because they have personal data concerns. Now, Dogecoin price decline spurs spec accumulation by large wallets despite the bearish trend. So as I mentioned, even though a lot of people are suggesting this is a bearish trend, there's a lot of whales which are just thinking of pouring as much money they possibly can into Dogecoin, because they definitely see that something big is on the way. Now, Dogecoin market right now is about to go crazy with a 7x potential. As I mentioned, 7x would be very likely. And can whale accumulation offset the price decline? I mean, honestly, we just need to make sure we break above these resistance phases, and then there will be not much slowing down the Dogecoin price. But other than that, honestly, right now you just need to be a little patient and you will see some good results. Have a wonderful day. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, drop a like on it if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon.